In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add new font in WPS Office for laptop and desktop. Adding new fonts is a great way to make your documents look more creative, professional, or unique, especially if you want something beyond the default fonts that come with your system. In this guide, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, from downloading a font to making sure it works properly inside WPS Office. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your laptop or desktop computer. Once the browser is open, go to the address bar and type Best Fonts. Then look for a website called freebestfonts.com and click on it. This website offers a wide selection of free fonts that you can use for personal projects. At the top of the page, you will see a search bar. Use this search bar to find the font you are looking for. For example, if you want a specific font style, type the font name into the search bar and press Enter on your keyboard. After the search results load, click on the font you want to download. You will be taken to the fonts page, where you can preview how it looks. When you are ready, click the Download button. This will start the download process automatically. Once the download is complete, you need to locate the downloaded file. If you are using a browser like Google Chrome, you can simply click the folder icon next to the downloaded file to open its location on your computer. The font file is usually downloaded as a zip file, so the next step is to extract it. Right-click on the zip file and choose the Extract option, or use your system's default extraction method. After extracting the files, open the folder and look for the font file. It will usually have a font icon and a file extension related to fonts. Double-click on the font file and a preview window will appear on your screen. In this preview window, click the Install button to add the font to your system. Once the installation is complete, the font is now available on your computer. If WPS Office is currently open, make sure to close it completely. This step is important so that WPS Office can refresh and recognize the newly installed font the next time you open it. After reopening WPS Office, you will be able to find and use the new font in your documents. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.